Hello, quizzers. Welcome back to my video. Today's quiz is all about would you rather questions. You've got 50 of them. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather step in dog poop or fall in front of everyone? Would you rather create history or delete history? Would you rather cook blindfolded or run an obstacle course blindfolded? Would you rather see in black and white or lose your sense of taste? Would you rather eat only salty food or only sweet food? Would you rather have a safe but boring life or an adventurous but dangerous life? Would you rather fight a mermaid or a polar bear? Would you rather be chased by clowns or by zombies? Would you rather have toys talk or have animals talk? Would you rather live without a battery or without a phone? Would you rather bring life to a fictional character or enter a fictional world? Would you rather swallow a marble or experience hypothermia? Would you rather go skiing on a cold winter day or have a sunbath on a summer day? Would you rather find a suitcase of money or find your family's lost photo album? Would you rather never watch TV series again or never comment on TV series again? Would you rather live in the Middle Ages or in the future? Would you rather race a horse or race a car? Would you rather be the best player on a losing team or the worst player on a winning team? Would you rather listen to a crying baby or listen to your dad singing badly? Would you rather go to school in a helicopter or in a limousine? Would you rather travel to space or to the depths of the ocean? Would you rather live in a world without video games or without movies? Would you rather visit a Barbie castle or a horror circus? Would you rather live in a world without cats or in a world without dogs? Would you rather never celebrate your birthday or never celebrate Christmas? Would you rather live in an igloo or in a haunted castle? Would you rather be stuck living forever or have one well spent life? Would you rather have dinner at a restaurant or have a picnic in the backyard? Would you rather always have a slow internet connection or always be stuck at a red light? Would you rather eat burgers for a month or eat pizza for a month? Would you rather sleep in a spider infested forest or swim in a river full of piranhas? Would you rather have this house or donate $500,000 to charity? Would you rather become invisible or read minds? Would you rather step on a Lego or pinch your fingers in a door? Would you rather be able to talk to the dead or move things with your mind? Would you rather be lost in Antarctica or in the Sahara Desert? Would you rather skydive or swim with sharks? Would you rather gain 30 kilograms or have no internet for a year? Would you rather delete Instagram or delete TikTok? Would you rather be alone for the rest of your life or be surrounded by people you don't like? Would you rather find a rat in your kitchen or a cockroach in your bed? Would you rather visit the zoo or the amusement park? Would you rather have a toothache or get shot at by a paintball gun? Would you rather pick one or kick one? Would you rather be in a tank during a war or be in a submarine during a war? Would you rather break your leg or be stung by 50 bees? Thanks for watching.